Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Man 2HF57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and on top of Star Times channel 195. For those who they watch us on top of internet anywhere inside the world, now www.wazobiatv.tv/live. This now that Ogbonge Politics discussion show as it dey hot every weekday from 10 to 11. We they carry all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them down, talk the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way it be for body, so that those when they do go do waiting, hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezu Gochokode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu, well as they concern the politics matter as it hot.
Yes, a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry that same Ogbonge program coming our way as it hot. That's a political program where they do it in. Where they sunshine with different political activities they happen for Obodo Nigeria. For our viewers who they watch us for Star Time channel 90 or 195 and Go TV channel 98, and if they also they watch us for free to air channel 57, or perhaps if they watch us for online, that is www.wazobiatv.tv/live. The program now stay hot, and as usual, me now continue to follow us. We go give them all the major stories of what happened over the weekend, and also top them up with at least the fresh and latest news we also happened today. And then we will also open our phone line so that at least when that time reach for now to call and contribute now, if we call and also talk the only 2 quarter to the whole matter. My name has to change. My name is Nankomi, and this now Ask It Hot.
We don't go waste time. We will go straight to the story of Ese Oruru, the 13-year-old girl. When we say one kind badness happened to her for inside Bayelsa for last year 2015. Everybody go recall say Ese Oruru now girl when we say she did for the center of story of adoption when happened inside Obodo Nigeria. They talk say Yunusa Yellow Dahira said I ain't carry him come up for Bayelsa go inside Kano. But a lot of outcry and the story generate because plenty people come and talk say why small pikin. They go just carry and come out from his family and nothing will happen. It go be like say for inside this Obodo Nigeria, nothing they happen at all. And government can't act upon that issue. Our police people can't swing into action. They can't arrest Oga Yunusa. But the latest gist with that story now say Oga Yunusa they don't grant and bail. And after the bail, he don't go back Kano, go live. One of his defense lawyers, Oga Kayo de Olaoshe, come and contact say the reason I say he no get family for inside Bayelsa and why he go inside Kano. But people come and talk say why he be say person when me say he suppose they come Bayelsa come they answer case for court. He dey live for Kano. Say she don't be say monkey and don't enter inside that arrangement. Based on as it and as we talk am, we'll continue to the chook eye for this particular story, make it no be like saying something when we say they don't sweep under the carpet. That and the first story we get to do with Ese Oruru on top of As It Hot.
Yes, and from there we enter straight to Italy, where a lot of people they mourn the death of a particular Nigerian where they do it in. Where they buy there, we name the Emmanuel Chidi Nnamdi, and at 36 years old man, we be say he and wife do it in. Now just last year they entered the country, and from the report over here, now just there's now one matter 9 players between one Italian guy what they call Amedo Mancini, and the guy can't finish, can't look in wife, can't call him monkey, African monkey. So that thing can't vex Chidi that thing can't vex, and we be say it can't cause argument. In the course of the argument, the guy can't do anything, can't blow the Chidi guy. They say as they carry and go hospital, they don't feel revival, and as from there the guy pie. And this matter can't bring about the issue of say at least the issue of racism and also the issue of xenophobia. We say when they play out for a lot of these countries, say which way what will they do about that? And then if we get a state where we say at least if we say we be a country or probably a world where we say we suppose they appreciate our colors. Why we say go enter some particular places, people will just get natural hate for you. According to what the Martini guy talk, the Martini guy say what even make and call the woman African monk that because of say in the hear and they talk for stadium all the time. So for that reason, instead can't do it to also call the woman this African monkey. We're going to talk say it be like say he got some things where we say some people will just deliberately sit down, they ginger some, they stir up some certain things where we say if they no do it, if they no cover and probably find way to put an end to that particular thing for a particular place where they normally play out. Now this kind of result or this kind of reaction, now we're gonna get. Now the story we'll get for now about the Nigerian guy we pie for Italy with that.
From that bad story wey happen for Italy, get another bad one wey happen for inside Abuja. Police them see they carry investigation on top of this matter, and people they hope say at the end of the day, this particular story they go get logical conclusion. This one get to do with one woman when they call Mrs. Eunice Olawale Elisha. The woman they talk saying a preacher or pastor for one RCCG church for inside Abuja there. And this one happen for Bazango for pipeline area for Kubwa for inside one satellite town when they for inside Abuja. And they talk say on July 9th for Saturday morning, the woman been they preach. They don't come hear her voice again. By the time when we say they can't alert police people as to wetin not happen, they talk say they see her dead body near her megaphone. That is the thing when we say she they use the preach her voice, make the thing loud well. But police don't come and contact say they don't arrest 6 people in connection to this particular badness when happen, and they carry out their investigation. And they don't also come and come clear the air say none of her body parts they miss. But this story they very, very significant because of say if we link them to something when happen not less than 60 days ago for inside Kano and also Kaduna, it get to do with extremism for inside religion. Remember the story of the woman when we say they buy the woman for inside Kano. Sake of say she talk say maybe people no do ablution, that is, maybe they no wash their hand and leg for front of her shop. That one can cause problem when they talk say the woman blaspheme against the holy prophet. They can't buy the woman. And the one way happen for Kaduna where the guy go buy food during the holy month of Ramadan. They can't talk say why he go they chop. As he try explain say no be Muslim, they think can result inside gbege. Some religious leaders don't come out can't talk say he go good make we begin to teach the things when go show say all of us now the same creator, now creators, and all of us they united as one people rather than the things when go they divide us. Say whether we like them or not, Nigeria and our country, and if we want to make this country move forward, and nobody say you go talk say okay, well, this person know they go my church, or this person we know they go the same mosque to get together. We know if we live together. All of us must learn to live together, tolerate each other based on saying that the same God now he create us. Why would they hope say police go conduct this investigation quick and bring the people when do this bad thing to book? We go just continue to discuss the story on top of As Ide Hawks.
And from that one, make we enter straight to our speaker, that is the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Oga Yakubu Dogara. We come out, come express one kind of shock over how some of our politicians they do it. They carry our money, they do them, they go hide them for places where we say even you as an individual, if you like, we can get all the inspecting team, get all the inspecting tools for this world. No, if you find out where this money, where did they hide some of this money? According to it now, Yakubu Dogara, it does say the way our politicians they do these days, where they will steal money and they hide them for different places. Say the one even they shock and the one way in also here say some politicians they go hide them billions of naira money, billions of naira inside their farm, You can't say look, the anti-graft war say hey they go need to do it, they go need to go beyond just say they investigate. Say they go deep, carry a thorough investigation on top of people where we say then they steal our money, and then if apart from that say make the fight against, make not just say that they restricted to a particular set of people. If they don't hear say a particular person don't they suspected, make they do it, make they check out, because there might be element of truth in everything. Where would they hear? And from that same case, we went straight to the alleged accusation where would they hear about the former Minister of Defense, that is Oga Misuli Obanikoro. According to the report over the year, we hear say somehow say he get in load 1.2 billion naira. That is in load 1.2 billion naira inside plane in 2 different this thing. And during that time, they power we hand over to Oga, that is the governor of Ekiti State, Oga Fayose. The EFCC, according to what they don't also get the footage, that is the video footage of how these things take play out. Say even apart from say in this, he say he also break some airport rule unto say he want to ensure say this particular thing, say this particular money routine thing, say he carry them out. Yes, he say they on top of this matter, and by the time they go do it, by the time they go inspect them, check them, x-ray the whole thing, they'll come to a conclusion to know how this matter take go about the 1.29 billion naira.
To top our story this morning, it get to do with the top when we say the former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Obong Victor Attah, come out, come talk. Everybody knows, say, Oga Presido, in the recent weeks, don't they talk, say, Nigeria unity, they negotiable, that is to say, make Nigeria there as one country. No be something we're going to come back and talk, say, we won't come out, we don't want to come out. But the former governor of Akwa Ibom State from 1999 to 2007, Obong Victor Attah don't come and talk, say, when we talk about renegotiation, no be to divide the country. Now to ensure, say, the system we get, the system when we say, it go work well for us. He talks, say, the kind of federal system when they practice, now when we say the thing, they lopsided. Now he speak that English, lopsided in the sense, say, the thing no balance well. He can talk, say, if we check the geopolitical zones for Nigeria, the 6 of them, say, it go good, make we expand exploit the potential when every zone gets, so that we go fit dey ensure say our states dem dey very very balanced. In lament situation when e be like say states dem will all fold their hands dey wait make federal government balance dem, make dem use am pay salaries or do other things wey be say go cause development for inside their state. Inside the example when Kaduna State Governor Oga Nasiru El-Rufai give as e get to do with the potential wey be say Kaduna get. He talk say if Kaduna get gold even pass South Africa, why be say everybody go just dey wait make oil wetin dem sell from oil come, and he come talk say now na the time for the government to sit down with all the people wey matter for the country with the mind of Nigerians when they carry am say okay o na Nigerians who dey do this particular thing for, make dem come restructure am. He come also talk say make people no dey come and dey talk say they wan go separate from Nigeria. If we check examples of countries wey be say don talk say they wan go separate, even till today they still dey get issues. All of this action tori wey we carry come from the weekend, 5 of them, we go try our phone lines open, drop am, make you sef call in to chook mouth for inside the matter and talk am the way anything be for body based on as e dey hot. Who could be this particular essay story na story wey be say e be like say plenty Nigerians don't even come forget am, because like we dey always dey talk, Nigeria na country wey be say when story carry first for inside news, everybody go talk about am, and after some time everybody go forget that particular story. I recall say a lot of people been dey talk about this one, say we need to protect the girl child more, we need to ensure say we put things in place wey go make life difficult for people wey be say they want to do bad things inside our society based on say they want to take advantage of young girls. But the whole gist wey follow this particular story be like say everybody don't forget am. If no be say this one when be say the matter dey cut, I dey sure say plenty Nigerians they don't dey think of tomato, they dey think of fuel price, they think of salary wey no even dey come, and the different hardship wey dey face for inside this our country. Many people don't care about this particular matter, but go dey very very important. We'll continue to discuss this issue so that everybody inside of Nigeria go know say this particular matter dey very very serious.
No, in all honesty, Chukwudi, that one of the major reasons why we would be here, because if Nigerians, if it is our responsibility as people where they represent the media, where they also they speak for the people, to always they remind people of certain stories where we say just bless they don't forget, because if we say, because a lot of people apart from it you talk, a lot of people go feel say okay, the story of essay don't become happily ever after kind of story. Say it don't end well, say she don't go back to her parents, say she don't continue her life, even as much as say she get belly and she don't born pikin and all that, say her life don't do it, don't continue as long as she. But then they also can look the other part of it. There is a court case where suppose with the Ogra where involve the UNISA guy where abduct them, and the other things wey surround this matter, how far this same matter they go. Because if we just say we fold our hand, allow this matter to go that way, you just like say we self we know they play our own due responsibility of at least informing the viewers. That is why any gist wey we say we supposed to get continuation, it is our responsibility as a team to do it into the consistently, continuously, they inform our viewers about the way thing that happen on top of that.
And it go dey very very important make our government they know they sleep on top of this kind of matter there, because the primary responsibility of every government is to ensure the safety of lives and property inside Obodo, Nigeria. We get Oga Chuks. Oga Chuks, they call us all the way from Lekki. Oga Chuks, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Oga Chuks.
We greet you.
Yeah, the thing I want to talk now concerning the lady where you say and kill where they preach.
Okay.
And as we hear them to say they don't get bill for the National Assembly for Sharia and all that. The question I'm asking is, how many Muslims they don't stop from preaching anywhere in the country? I don't think there's any. So why would anybody stop anybody from preaching, not only stopping, but even killing? And now you want the Sharia law to go as far as the National Assembly. Those people that want Sharia at the state level, why not do it at the State House of Assembly and leave it national to do whatever other things they are doing, to concentrate on things that matters and affects the masses of Nigeria? The people where they kill and the people where kill, now 6 people have been arrested. But what of the other ones who didn't arrest before? What did not happen to them? Okay. So these are things that we should be very, very careful with. It touches lives, and once a life is gone, it's gone. Even if you want that person to practice what you are practicing, you can't bring that person back to come and practice what you want him to practice.
Very true.
So once you kill, it is gone. So we should be careful and make sure that things that affect the ordinary man should be in focus, not all these things they are talking about now.
Very, very true. Oga Chuks, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. And we self go encourage our leaders, not just the political leaders. religious leaders especially, because of the plenty respect when they get for them, make them they teach, say, we all now one, and make them they practice what they preach. We get Joyce. Joyce, they call us all the way from Abuja. Joyce, good morning and welcome to I See the Heart.
Good morning.
Good morning, Joyce.
About this China and so on. I don't know if it's gonna help, because actually he has traveled a lot, and maybe his own opinion, he thought that he's bringing good things to the country. Other people are complaining that he's always traveling. But to me, I see that as a good thing.
Joyce, if like say this your contribution, connect to what we discuss, but we appreciate the fact that the call connect and you don't make your important contribution. This S.A. Oruru case, it go there very, very important. Make not just women, also some promotional interest group them, make them do plenty things about this particular matter, because this one will go a long way to show say we really indeed they're very, very concerned about our citizens. And from this particular story, go good make we relate them to the one wey happen for inside Italy. And not be today, plenty Nigerians they buy for different countries of this world. Or not be today, people they buy outside the country when we say they come from. But now the way when we say the people in that country and also the government take react to that particular situation, I ain't gonna make it happen. I know say Italy and Egypt today. They get some kind of issues based on say one Italian student been died for Egypt, and the government they talk say make the Egyptian government conduct proper investigation to see say the matter reach the end of the journey. But for Nigeria, we get plenty people when we say that they buy for different parts of the world, and it could be like say nothing happened because we too plenty for here. We get one of our callers when they call us all the way from Warri. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga God
God
servant.
servant.
Oga Shukudi.
Oga God servant, I dey greet you.
Good morning. How una dey?
We dey fine.
Fine.
You don't tell when I call. I traveled before.
Okay, you are welcome back, Oga God servant.
The matter when it concerned me this morning.
Reduce the volume of your television, we dey hear you.
Okay. I said the matter when it concerned me, what una talk so. Now the Nigeria, when our guy president just say not the negotiable. That one is really concerned all of us. Okay, I thought it is that one is really concerned all of us. Because when you look what did happen for the country today, after the election, they hear me so?
With the year.
After the election, so many grievances created on ground, so many enmities. And before the election, there was a national conference when they hold. So many people that discuss so many things at that time. So when you can't see after the election now, see what they happen. You see, so Mr. President is supposed to reconcile the whole nation together. Reconcile the whole nation, because there are so many grievances during their campaign. There are so many enmity they created. So after those things don't finish, then it's supposed to reconcile the whole nation before it goes start in work.
True.
But now look at it. People are annoyed. People are going up and down, killing people that are preaching the gospel. People, militants are everywhere. Biafra, they are coming up. And Boko Haram war, they have not yet finished. More are still coming up. So the nation, at least, it is negotiable.
Oga God servant.
Negotiable. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Oga God servant. But I been want to ask you, say, what will be the thing exactly when you want to make Oga Presido do? But maybe Oga Paul from Ajah will give us in contribution and also if he answer that question. Oga Paul, thank you for your patience. Welcome to I See the Heart.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi and Oga Chukudi.
Good morning,
We
Oga
greet you,
Paul.
Oga Paul.
Presumption. The truth about Oga Chukudi, I go want me you help me ask. I go
Continue.
this question.
Okay.
The government agenda for this dispensation. What will be the agenda where they get, where they carry come this agenda? So concerning the waiting the federal government or the government needs to do, as they don't they sing and sing. The president as a person get good heart, but the people around them feel like the demons they make this country go down. So if it go come out clearly, noted Nigerians when it stand for the past time, there have been only once or twice they don't hold a presidential chat. Tell people, make people get that in charge of all the situation. Because the truth about it, nobody go call minister, nobody go call chief of police staff, nobody go call chief of armed staff. Now, everybody they call because he know they talk anything. So right now, I even go back to Benue State. Herdsmen don't start again. Over the weekend, they kill about how many people again. Nobody don't talk about that one. So think about all these things. Now, over to the north, Muslims now are going to kill Christians. Like civilians. Because when they don't push people to the war, where they don't still talk again, the whole thing will escalate. So at the beg, we they pray. According to what it is, Nigeria don't turn prayer nation. Everybody now don't they pray. Because of what they happen. So I beg, anyway. Then for the essay issue, the two again, now our lawyers. And they go see the truth, they go bend. We're not saying that their profession, in what you do. No, they bend things. Allah want they can satisfy the people with. Please, may they help us for this issue. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, for that contribution. And just as you talk, a lot of things where you also drop down. But the one we also want to emphasize on, or we based on what you talk. Now, the one we get to do with at least religion and the fact that every religious group gets their own doctrine and the way they take preach. And if every religion tends to, at least they get one center of this way they get to do it, at least loving yourself, loving your neighbor, and also being tolerant. I wonder why these issues could spring up. We get a caller right now where they call us. Good morning.
Josephine, they call us all the way from Shimolu.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nkobi.
Good morning.
I won't contribute to the matter.
Would they hear you? They hear you right now.
I think it's high time make our government stand to their responsibility. In the sense that this thing will happen for Abuja. When it happened for our Nigerians, we people know they try. So when it happened for Kano the other time, some set of people say that the Igbo affect, consign them. Now it don't happen to Abuja, to another group of ethnic tribes. Some will say no consign us. Now so we go look till we go reach our domot. So things like this, it is high time make our people, our government, make them stand up to help our country. The thing done too much. So I beg, make our government, now one day for TV and radio, make one they talk and make they hear. Because our brothers, they know, their brothers today here. If everybody take arm, say they who they preach, how the country go move forward. Our senators, they there. Not if they're kill Fulani man today, na me. If they're kill Igbo man today, na me. They could leave tribe for this issue. One Nigeria arm is all Nigeria.
Exactly.
Our presidents, our governors, nobody go condemn this. If not another country, they go kind of begin pay condolence. Waiting they call the country. I beg. May they wake up.
I'm just saying, thank you very much.
Number two again, what I want to talk about this Soruru matter, be saying. The way they leave this case, a bill, they don't give and bill, they don't go Kano. They are encouraging this kind of thing to happen again. This girl she's a child. She was adopted. There should be severe punishment so that others go learn. But when you give bill, and how come? How you take get that bill? Because I know no be small money they call. And this boy na keke marua people in family na poor people. So there are people behind all these things that is happening. Things like this should not just be swept under the carpet. How did he get the bill? How did he meet up to the bill standard? Now he has been taken to Kano. The case is in Bayelsa. Then got the transport, they come there. What thing that they tell us with that? Say make our brothers to they adopt small girls, they marry them.
I'm just saying. Thank you very, very much for all these things where you don't also drop down on how at least we go feed at least look into the issue of our country, Nigeria. We get Madam Patience. Madam Patience, they call us from Makurdi. Good morning, Madam Patience. Madam Patience, good morning.
Madam Patience, you still there? Be like said in Madam Patience. Okay, Madam Patience, we appreciate the fact that you be even still wait until the telephone. I beg if you get chance, call us back to make your contribution as you get to do with all of the action to the when we carry come inside Obodo, Nigeria. So then this one about not renegotiating the fiscal federalism for inside this Obodo, Nigeria. a very important issue.
Very, very important.
Although some people, they always they fear, say, okay, when they talk about renegotiation, I say, okay, may they divide the country, make people go. But like the governor don't already explain, he don't already talk and say, if system no they work, and all of us agree, say this system no they work, based on the way when we say our states they, rather than wait where the matter spoil finish, it go very, very important, make we take the bull by the horns, that is, make we do what we fit do now, even though the thing go prepare us for body small, but in the end or in the long run, the thing go be something when we say, it go add great value to Obodo Nigeria. And I think say they're very, very important, say, people will not lead this country, or people when we they see as leaders for inside this Obodo Nigeria, they don't they lend their voice to this particular call. Everybody understand, say, together as a united nation, we go fit move our country forward, because all of us they rest on the good things when they get from each other. But it go good make we get system when we say, go be like say states when we get about 26 states when we pay salaries, we'll get about 15 states when they talk say they know better pass business centers and all of those like that. So it go very, very important now. Make we do waiting day rights to ensure say we save our country from the kind of situation when we say we do.
Apart from that, you get one thing they normally amuse when it comes to the issue of true federalism. Because just as you also talked earlier, federalism, just like I say, the kind of federalism they practice here, they favor. And if they favor, and make them adjust and make them find other means where we will fit waiting. We will fit take ensure say true federalism truly work here. Okay, before we go further on that, we'll collect this call. Good morning. God bless. They call us from Warri. Good morning. God bless. God bless. Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
We greet you, God bless.
How are you? I want to talk for this henchmen. Hello?
Continue.
I want to talk for this henchmen issue for this country.
Okay.
It be like say the federal government not even think in that area. Because this henchmen today, na Benue, tomorrow, na Delta, next tomorrow, na Southwest, na Enugu, na this. It's getting too much. This one, are they henchmen or IC members or Boko Haram? The government should come out with a statement so that we will know so everybody will know how to prepare for an area. Today, every day, henchmen, yesterday again, Benue, again. And no comment from the federal government to say, how do we stop this thing? We talk of grazing land. Now, grazing property they think of. To think of people's property and their lives. My brother, make we look at that area. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga. God bless for that contribution. Because
very important point, and you don't raise. Very, very important.
A lot of things don't they play out over time. Just like say, once it play out, just as we told you, once it play out, we know they take them serious at that point in time. Now, when the something don't come, probably they escalate. People don't they talk generally about it. And at that time, government also knows they do it in the good. We don't they on top of the issue of headsmen. What thing they don't do so far? These headsmen then they invisible and they humans. We don't get security experts with it. At least the same way they take the address the issue of Boko Haram. But they also know how they will take and ensure at least they provide, even if not be done directly, maybe they put things in the ground. Say the state as well.
But if we get government when we say everything they do now inside pipeline the day, what do we go expect?
Because that pipeline said don't tire me. I'm not gonna lie. That pipeline don't tire me. I don't expect pipeline saying pipeline no they reach the end of the destination.
Maybe the pipeline long now.
It will maybe they too lengthy.
And now
long
from Kano go reach
on ending pipeline.
On ending pipeline.
You go Kano, come back to Lagos, go back to Kano. Just you know, so without having a place where they go do it, where they go pass out.
Very true. But in all honesty, like one of our callers been talk. Say make the government come and tell us their plan or their agenda for inside Obodo Nigeria, because it just be like say the government, it be like saying a trial and error, or they just they look the one way go work for inside this particular system. We get one of our Ubonge callers when they call us all the way from Calabar. Good morning and welcome to RC The Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning. I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Okay.
Okay, Beku, we hear you.
I agree to.
We agree to Oga Beku.
Calling from Calabar.
Right on, fire on.
Okay, I want to contribute on issue concerning this killing of a woman preacher.
Okay.
Please, this is injustice, should I call it injustice? Because if, in as much as we are practicing one Nigeria, if something happens, we should try and do it the way everybody, even international community that is watching us, we see it as per se there is no partiality. Because if a Christian happens to be killed in that manner, there is nothing that is done. Or I heard someone that was saying that people is not Nigerian. That is some people that are not Nigerians. If I happen to a Muslim as well, they say that is not Nigerian. Nobody will vex. But they are not going to read us anywhere. In as much as we see this our country that is falling apart, and we preach one Nigeria, one Nigeria, we should learn to make all of us to understand that there is no exception. Not when it happens to a Christian, they will call it something that is non-Nigerian. A Fulani man kill a Igbo man or a Yoruba man or whether anybody, they will say there are people that come from. It doesn't mean that maybe our security are not working anymore. Because in as much as all of us know, securities where we say they're around, they have their work to do. If we have security or adequate security, there will not be anybody that will come from another country to kill and go scot-free. Because so far I'm concerned, all those who they do bad things in Nigeria, they have been able to be apprehending them. Why not getting those people to book so that all these kinds of things not going to happen? Then the issue of SA Oruru, that matter, at the smell monkey hand there, political, people don't do, should I call it politically? Because if that boy meets up with his belly condition, meaning say there is a big men
where they back
behind the way that they support them. And if they happen to support that boy in that kind of thing, where that boy do, means say things like that going to happen. Me, when they call you, when they talk to you too, I know they discriminate. I have a house of people in my house.
Okay,
three of them will be say they train them for school.
Okay, Beku. Well, thank you very much for that contribution. At least we don't get your points. And quickly, maybe we collect this call from Madam Patience, where they call us from Benue. Madam Patience, good morning, and thank you for calling us back. Madam Patience.
Madam Patience, you did there. Like I said, the network no agree and make sure even if balance the call at all. Everybody, a lot of people when on call don't show concern as it get to do with the issue of SA, and we go take them upon of ourselves to make sure say this particular matter. So would they put them inside public light and they discuss this issue, they go so. Then this other one when we say the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Oga Yakubu Dogara, don't come out talk. When he talks, say people they hide money inside farm. And a very serious issue.
That one under big issue.
Very big issue. And we know some people for inside Nigeria when we say they get farm for inside this country. Take for example, we get our president now get farm. Our former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, he get farm. So many governors get farm. Well. Mukubi, nobody know whether you say get farm.
I don't get farm. I don't get any land.
But why he be say for? I don't know. Every government, now new things. They like this government.
New strategy.
Money, they know they had money for bank again now. Now inside farm.
The bank said no. They say the safety of money for bank now. It get as BB. Because we don't hear they freeze account. Then they freeze account. So alternatively, they don't create their own account inside their own bank for land. Or if they don't put up for pipeline, they will put up for farm.
but it go dey very very good make this particular issue because.
But then wait. May I even ask you if by the time all this money waka finish, they go hide them for their, how will take know the farm where they hide and put?
Now they get the farm now.
And how will take know?
The farm go get fence now.
It go get fence.
But how?
Even if you want to investigate the person, they say you carry money
inside farm.
Where do you keep the money? How go take? Since the money no go dey bank, where the money go dey? We no go know where the farm dey. If you say na private.
But how our speaker take no say people dey hide money inside farm?
That if he
get friends when they hide money inside farm.
If they don't discuss among, they say, hey guys.
Say the best place to keep money now is farm.
Say EFCC now the way they take tackle money.
They cannot go to farm.
I would advise you as my friend where I be to you.
Go to farm.
Go the farm. Go the farm. They dig your money.
Exactly. We get Oga Sam. Oga Sam they call us all the way from Ikotun. Oga Sam, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah, good morning, Ezigo Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Sam.
Good morning, Kudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
The Lord bless you all.
Amen.
Why are we nation, we don't remember the past? We have problem in this country. The reason is I want to dwell on the issue of this woman who got preached and that was killed. In not too far time, just during the Ramadan fasting, we learned that somebody who did not fast, a young man in the restaurant, was killed by these Islamic fanatics. And that is happening again. If I will recall back to Tell Magazine, of September 30th, 1996, the issue of Islamic fanaticism came up where people were massacred in the north. And then again, I'll carry again back to Tell Magazine, number 16, April 17, 2000. These are issues I'm too many to mention where there are Muslim fanatics in the National Assembly who are saying that they must incorporate Sharia laws into the Constitution. And because of that, they have at one time or the other killed anyhow those who are not Christians in the north. And the problem is that Benue, Plateau, Kogi, and other states, they are predominantly Christians. If the Muslims are insisting that they want to succeed for this country as this country to be a Muslim country, what would they do with the other states that have Christians among them? Otherwise, why should somebody look at one preaching, going to preach the word of God, they call Allah, and try to kill that person? And now they are trying to sponsor Sharia law in the house again. And we have people like Sharima, who married an underage girl under Islamic laws, that who are finding this problem in the National Assembly. They want to divide this country, but they are not coming out correctly. That is number one. The issue of the herdsmen, you will discover that when Boko Haram issue was coiling down, you will begin to transport them into the south. And eventually they built up a group of people and begin to attack villages. Today, the issue of herdsmen are now becoming issue where Buhari cannot discuss. Buhari, in his heart of heart, is an Islamic apologist. And he's not going to take any problem serious about any killings of the people under Islamic laws.
Oga Sam, you hear me?
Country.
Oga Sam. We get another caller.
I hear you.
Okay, Oga Sam, because of plenty time and the fact that some other people dey on top of our telephone line, if you go fit call us back to contribute more, we go appreciate. But we get Oga Oke from Calabar. Oga Oke don dey wait patiently. Oga Oke, good morning and welcome to our studio. Thank you very much for your patience.
Good morning, Mr. Fubode.
Good morning, Oga Oke.
Good morning, Mr. Nkovi. How are you?
We dey fine, Oga Oke.
Plenty way dey where I want to contribute. Through my mouth. But first of all, make a rush to our brother will die for Italy. Sometimes, waiting happen to Rancho, it don't happen to me when I sit outside the country. Now, one of the things that frustrates me, will make me not even live outside the country. But sometimes it gives some certain things deaf ear, not the same ear. You get one guy, one Barcelona player, they call him Dani Alves. They throw a banana at the play ball. Instead when go carry the banana, throw them back. Carry the banana, lick them. You know me saying be monkey, but in show them class.
Yeah.
That one be by the side. So I pray may God grant it so. So again, make Nigeria also fight to see say make it no be our person no be like foul. We just die like that. We don't go seek or do anything about them. Make Nigerian government make sure that they give us reason. That one be by the side. Then about the ESU girl of a thing, I don't see many hands for that matter. Imagine the ordinary KK man hire son. After the whole case, you meet the bell condition and whatever. You see from there, both flights down to Kano, right? My brother, no really monkey hand there, baboon hand there inside. Yes. So may they look into that matter very well.
Very, very true.
Yes, that one be by the side. Then again, about the issue of henchmen, all these are ugly incidents, ugly things where they carry out, where we are them 2-3 years ago.
True.
Yes, where we are there. Why are they not carrying out these things? Let me not say, maybe whenever Hausa man, their power, Hausa people go, they misbehave. They turn a vagabond in power.
Very true. Okay, now very important point. Now you don't raise so. But quickly we go rush enter break. When we go break, come back, we'll take all this discussion when you don't carry and make look the matter. We don't go anywhere now. Still, as it is hot, will they come back?
Yes, so we don't enter the final lap of the program as it is hot, and quickly make we go through the major stories where we carry come given us today. I will talk about Ese Oruru, and that is the latest on Ese Oruru, and the fact say UNISA will be the abductor. They don't do anything. They don't grant and bail, and don't go back to Kano. We can also talk about the Nigerian man where they do it, where they buy for Italy, and from there we can also talk about the female preacher where they do it in, where they buy, where they kill for, that is for Abuja, and from that one we can also talk about the fact say we can also talk about the money where Oga this in the speaker talk say the way some of our leaders they do it, they move money now, say if they don't create another strategy. From there, we can also add them up with the Obanikoro story. And finally, we can also talk about waiting about Victor Atta, that is the former governor of Akwa Ibom, talk about renegotiation, say the way they go about them. And quickly, before we go for that, this thing, Oga Okebi, they talk something. He said something where they very, we also the somehow, if you look at somehow, that's what we'll go into. We'll also need to look into. He said something about they make no mistake because of say Hausa man they power, and for that reason, that is why Hausa people they do anyhow. Well, we go always talk and say Nigeria no be anybody estate, and as long as we collectively we elect somebody where we say, irrespective of where the person come from, we say make this person will carry responsibility given. Make we know also always they get that assumption. So okay, because I say you come from this region, we feel they behave anyhow. Because if we start they behave anyhow, say go to jail. So for that particular talk, I know I assume now within the plan. Now for our law enforcement agency and people who say they don't give responsibility to carry out their responsibility when a particular thing play out. Now what we suppose they talk about rather than feel say okay because of this person come from here. That's why people who come from the region they do anyhow. I know one place say they work like that.
Very true. Good no we emphasize say when you become president of Nigeria, you be president of everybody inside of Nigeria. So that one about say make people know they take advantage. Say the person will be president are from their state or na their kinsman. They behave anyhow way they behave. Even though some people they carry that matter for head, but it go good make we get situation when we say everybody go fit beat chest say this person are my president, and no be say because the person come from this place or we come from the same state together. And Oga Okebi raised one important point about Nigerians outside the shores of Nigeria. He may talk say get some things when we say if you hear you go do like say you know hear am, but it go also dey good make we get situation when we say people no go they live like say they don't be human being even though they outside the shores of Nigeria, because we don't hear cases of plenty Nigerians when don't buy outside this country. We hear of Nigerians when they die for India, for even Cyprus, for even Abu Dhabi, different countries for inside this world, and it could all be like say nothing they happen at all. So our government need to be more responsible and to be accountable for our Nigerians when they live outside the shores of this country. First and foremost, people when they come out from this country, don't be say you go just come out, they don't go no say you come out, because I know say it got one time like around 2 weeks ago, the United States of America, the government being warned citizens of America when they inside Nigeria, especially this Lagos, even then they're very, very careful. So they get intelligence reports say some kind of badness won't happen inside Lagos. Now, if they warn their citizens when they're inside this country, just like they do for other parts of the world, and they issue one and say, no travel, go this place, or no go here if you do this place, or they'll come there, can't carry everybody come out. We supposed to get that kind of situation. That one to show that the government really care about the people. But if we get a situation where we say, even Nigerians when they live for inside the country, things don't read for them. People, they complain. Shey na those when we say then trucks say they won't rush, go outside the shores of Nigeria, and they won't go struggle, and so it go be. But we get plenty Nigerians outside the shores of this country when we say that they're concerned about Nigeria. See Oga Bobby when they always they call us from Amsterdam. Many of our callers, Oga Pat from Germany, many of our callers when they call us from different parts of the world, they show concern about issues when they affect us for Nigeria. If these people feel they outside Nigeria get this kind of passion for Nigeria, then we suppose they show more. Say these people really care about them. Now hundreds of people come and begin to protest, say this kind of bad thing don't happen. But this badness still they happen. Shall we don't call the envoy when they represent Italy, say, making come answer question as it get to do with this thing will happen. Because person no go just get confidence say, my country I did, you go begin to call person black monkey, or you go come begin to fight people anyhow because you your country.
Apart from that, you get one other situation we also play out for the same Italy, where a similar situation play out, and this one involve a particular woman for the same Italy. In the end, the legislators for that particular place, what they do? They do it in. They not even. They do it. They just cover up the whole matter. No, if people say when they lead country, they cover up a particular matter, which means the lives of foreigners waiting for that particular one. If I say they guaranteed with that. Well, we always talk about on this platform. Say Nigeria. And nobody anybody can estate and nobody get them. Now our collective will ensure that at least we move the country forward, and then For us to also ensure say these are workers, we're going to put our own commitment to the whole system. If we see wetin dey bad, make we do it, make we talk about them. If we also see wetin dey good, make we do it, make we also appreciate them. So that at least if we get this kind of mind, at least we know go fit see person wey be Muslim or wey be person wey be Christian, tell us say this person na that religion or na that ethnic group you come from. We go fit dey move together as one. Anyway, from me wey be Nkubi, Chukwudi, I know say. Going by the way the things they be, like say this particular situation, say they put money for farm, they give you thought. But for me, we even could be, I will say bye bye to meet again tomorrow.
But this country, we need to do more.
We need to do more.
We need to do. This government need to wake up. This government need to wake up because everywhere just dry.
No, it's like say.
Not be where, everywhere just dry. Everywhere not dry. Everywhere just dry.
It dry through and. It dry through.
It dry. That what you not tell us before election be this.
Why not?
Where is my 5,000? No, where is it?
You know what happened?
This is July.
See, calculate your 5,000. Calculate the number of months. Me come meet me. I go write check give you.
You will even be like person when say if you see 2,000, say you go collect them. You can't calculate 5,000.
I know they calculate.
You be like 1-2 self. If they give you 1-2 here now, you go somersault. There they talk about this thing.
1-2.
Tell your people who could be. Tell them we shall.
Tomorrow will come again and bye bye.
We shall.
You don't do you.
We shall. Party of Nigeria. Which mood you carry come? Which mood? You know go make we tell Nigerians the truth. Make we tell Nigerians the truth. Everywhere is dry. That's why people are dry. You are even dry. You are drying up.
I can't dry.
Tomato dry. Fuel price dry. Bag of rice dry. Everything dry.
If you like, dry yourself.
We dry. Do they say this thing?
I'm out of here. Dry.
Salary dry. Everything dry. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.